Well, I'm going to be working in my backyard this morning, and I'm going to work on some steps over here. But the funny thing I'm seeing here, look at this little vine. This was a pretty vine and it's almost dead. We're in the middle of summer and this thing should be going on. So I turned the sprinklers on, and I see that the water was trying to come out here, and see, the bubblers are coming out really super slow, and I thought there would have been enough water pressure for this to go on, and see, it's wanting to come, but it's not. And a few weeks ago I saw that it was spraying out of the side, and I fixed that. I cut it and I put a little coupling in there, and I checked it and everything was fine. That was oh, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago. And now look at this. So I've got to figure out what's going on. I just turned the bubblers on real quick to see, and look at this.